अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। इन क्वेश्चंस के अलावा जो कि मैं वीडियोस बना के लगा रहा हूँ, अगर आपको कोई और भी किसी और एक्सरसाइज से कोई और चैप्टर से कोई क्वेश्चन आपने समझना है, पूछना है, तो आप मुझसे रब्ता कर सकते हैं और मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि प्रायोरिटी पे आपके जो बताए हुए क्वेश्चंस हैं वो उसकी वीडियो बना के मैं अपलोड कर दूँ, इन विच any point inside an angle equally distant from its arm is on the bisector of it. Means any point which is inside the angle, if this point is equally distant from its arm, then it is bisector on the bisector of the angle. So given is any point P lies inside AOB such that PQ is equal to PR. This side is equal to this side, where PQ is perpendicular to OB, PR perpendicular to OA. And we want to prove it. P is on the right bisector of P is on the bisector of angle AOB. This P is bisector which bisect OM. OM is the bisector of angle AOB. So P is on OM. And in the construction we join P with O. And now we prove it. Statement: the two triangles POQ and POR. Now we compare these two triangles in which angle PQO is equal to PRO, and it is a given because PQ is perpendicular to OB and PR is perpendicular to OA, and PR is equal to PQ. This side is equal to this side, and it is also given in the given. And the last is PO is equal to PO, which is the common of these two triangles, and hence the two triangles POQ is equal to POR. So the two triangles are also equal, and hence POQ is equal to POR, means the corresponding angles of congruent triangle. And so the P is on the bisector of angle AOB, and P is on the line OM which is bisect the angle AOB. This is the